Spills happen, stains set in. But with the Mighty M Chore Master Series Spot Extractor, they don't stand a chance. Compact, portable, powerful. At home, it's your go-to for tackling everyday messes. From muddy footprints on the carpet to spilled wine or pizza sauce, this 2-gallon extractor makes stains disappear in minutes. Around the house or in the garage, it's the perfect detailing partner. Upholstery, floor mats, and interior fabric come back to life with the combination of a 55 psi pump and a high-performance 2-stage vacuum motor, delivering 100 CFM of suction. And in professional environments, the Chore Master shines. Lightweight yet durable. The impact and dent-resistant housing is built to withstand daily use in rental fleets, janitorial services, and commercial cleaning operations. Satisfy your curiosity through the Clearview 4-inch upholstery tool. Handle hard-to-reach areas by using the 7-foot solution hose and 7-foot vacuum hose. This gives you the reach and precision to handle spots big or small. With quick access fill and disposal ports, the 2-gallon solution and recovery tanks make setup and cleanup fast and simple. From everyday households to auto detailers to commercial crews, the Chore Master is designed for versatility and performance. And with industrial-leading warranties, including lifetime coverage on the housing, you can count on it for years to come. The Mighty M Chore Master Series Spot Extractor. Wherever there's a mess, it's ready to clean it up.